Here it is, November 30, 2022. We're into week number 58 of major construction. Down here at the West Paseo by the Aline building. Time is 7:41 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Going to check out what's going on and what's been done down through here lately. They've been working with their landscaping down through here, and now they're coming through and doing some finishing touches up on stuff. I believe they're down here also checking the electrical connections down through here to make sure everything's working properly. Earlier I saw one of the little tree lights was on down there, so I think they're going through and checking their lighting. And back over here, one thing I noticed this last week when I was down here, they have moved the AC units around to the side of the building now, so that's been accomplished. Back down here also, you can see just below me here, back over here, they've continued working on this brick through here, getting this fixed up. So they've got this done and some completed on down through the hallway there. And they've got a lot of the capstones on the flower beds, and ramp areas over here is getting finished up. We're also back over here doing work in the interior of the restrooms over there, getting those renovated. And maybe they're working on the amenities wall also. So let me climb on up here a little bit higher. Back over here in the Gateway Plaza, they poured more concrete, it looks like. So they're moving along on getting that completed, fixed up down there. So this little gate's open. Maybe I can go through here and see what they're doing out here. Check the Gateway Plaza back over here. You see that they have indeed poured more concrete there. It's getting fixed up. Actually, some of it that looks freshly poured through here. They're also getting the concrete forms continued down through here, so it won't be long till a lot of this is completed right through this area here. Beginning to take shape. I can see one of the concrete trolleys working back out there, so maybe that's delivering concrete to some areas. You can see they're doing their concrete smoothing over there, so getting that fixed up. Let me try changing to my telephoto lens here and see what I can see. I'm now shooting on my 77mm lens, so it gives a little bit more intimate view of what's going on. But you can see they have got more concrete poured back down in the Gateway Plaza area, and they may be pouring concrete across the property in other spots. It's hard to tell from this vantage point, but see what they're doing there. And then back over here, see they've worked on their landscaping over here on the little hillside, or little hill area here by the this end of the West Paseo. So they're getting that fixed up, getting their landscaping done. Got the guys back over there, like I said, working on the amenities wall and fixing up the bathroom. You can see down through here. Back over here, farther down the West Paseo, you can see one light on down there. So they're testing their electrical systems to make sure all of the wiring they put in is working properly. And landscaping, progressing here and there through the West Paseo area. So getting this all fixed up down here. Things are moving along. Maybe before long they'll be able to open up this West Paseo. We'll see how it goes. Let me pan back over here to the Gateway Plaza area. You can see where this is getting all fixed up down through here across the project. So things starting to take shape down here, moving this along. Get all this concrete poured down here. And then this West Paseo area will be getting in good shape. Let me pause this now and move on down to another area. Here I am back over by the venue building. I'm going to check out the hallway, what progress they're making down through here with the tile work. See, they've got their blocks of tile along here. And down on the end, they've completed this end section has been fixed up. Well, this is getting taken care of down through here. And they're getting this all fixed up down through here. Got more tile laid out for working in this area. So this is coming along, looking good. Let me move on around a little bit and shoot over by the Old Town Tavern, I think. Right, here I am shooting over the fence at the Old Town Tavern. See down here, they're continuing to fix stuff up, check the wiring. Landscaping is coming along down here. So, things taking shape down through here. Getting all fixed up. Just going to shoot a little bit here. And move on around now over towards the West Bowl. I think I'll go down and shoot some stuff down there. Here I am coming out of the parking structure over by AZ88. See, back up in here, they're working on this future bar to be. Getting this fixed up down here. Looks like they got concrete work done and they're doing some other stuff down in there to get that rep prepared. Go back down here by AZ88 patio area. Here in the West Bowl now. Back over here we can see the concrete work has moved on along. Over there in the Gateway Plaza area. They're working out in the areas around the 360-degree canopy, getting that fixed up. A lot of that's going to be planter areas, bioswales, stuff like that. So all this is moving on along. I think now I'll probably finish up here on the west end and then move around to the east end of the project and see what I can see down there. See what's happening on the east end of the project. All right, I'm gonna call this good. All right, here I am down at City Hall in the Civic Lawn area, looking across towards the Civic Lawn and West Bowl back over there. Time is 8:16 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. You can see that they're working out here on what will in the future be the Botanic Gardens, continuing to get that fixed up. Looks like they could have poured some concrete out in there, possibly. Looks like they're working on what will be a planter area there, getting that fixed up. If I pan back down here in front of me, we can see here in the lagoon, they have gotten their uplighting fixed on the artwork down here, and the fountains themselves will have, jets will have uplighting. So let me tilt back up. Then we move around to the Water and Fog Plaza. They're continuing to work on that back over there, getting that fixed up. And then back over here, directly ahead of me on the pump room by this tree, they're putting up some kind of metal structures there. So I don't know if they're going to set up some kind of face across there so they don't have that sort of edge on it like they do now. But time will tell on that. Then back over here in the social hub over to the East Bowl, they're working back in there, getting stuff fixed up, moving along on that. So got some stuff going on down here, just sort of your steady incremental kind of work to move the project farther along. So let me pan back around over here to the canopy. And area around the canopy is getting fixed up pretty much there. Starting to move that along. They've the whole Civic Lawn sort of bridge deck area there looks like they're cleaning that up and getting that leveled off. So I don't think there's very much to do out there other than put down turf. So we'll see, who knows, maybe in December, towards the end of December, maybe they'll put down some turf if they're at that point in the project. So this is what we got going on down here. Let me finish up here, then I'm going to move down to the East Bowl, and that'll be my last shooting spot for the day, I think. All right. Here I am down in the East Bowl now. It's 8:23 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. They're working back over there on the Mist and or the Water and Fog Plaza. Doing a little bit of work back down in there. Doing a little bit of work up here on the hill. Maybe doing some fixing up the grading there. And then back down here in the East Bowl proper, I don't really see anybody doing very much with the East Bowl stage down here. Doesn't look like it's changed that much since I was down here last Thursday, I think it was. So canopy still a little bit in limbo there as far as getting it any further along than it was. Looks like there's a lot more electrical pipe down here now. If I tilt down, see quite a lot of what looks to be electrical pipe down through here. So I think that's electrical. Gray seems to be electrical. So canopy moving, not very fast down here. Not really a whole lot going on down here other than your sort of basic preparatory kinds of work, getting the grounds leveled out back over here, doing more incremental work over in the social hub at the Water and Fog Plaza. So I think I'm going to call this good, and my next trip down here probably be on Sunday, I'm thinking. come down here and do another walking tour, see what's been accomplished. But I'm going to call this good. Go back home and fix it all up. Just basic recon today. Not anything really that great going on, except they were pouring their concrete down in the Gateway Plaza. So let's call this good.